Welcome back, gearheads and driving purists. Today, we're taking a break from high-tech EVs and ultra-luxury speed demons to dive into something utterly unique. This is not your average sports car. Heck, it's not even your average car. Meet the Morgan Super 3 SuperSport, a three-wheeled, wind-in-your-face analog rocket that blends old-school engineering with aircraft-inspired style. In a world obsessed with autonomy and digital dashboards, this wild ride is your last link to pure mechanical joy. The Morgan Super 3 SuperSport is the latest evolution of Morgan's iconic three-wheeled lineage, and it's more extreme, more focused, and more exhilarating than ever before. This isn't about lap times or 0-60 bragging rights. This is about connection. Connection between man, machine, and the road. With no roof, no doors, and not even a windshield, the SuperSport doesn't just ask for your attention, it demands it. You're not just driving it, you're experiencing it, and every moment behind the wheel feels like you're flying a vintage fighter jet strapped to a go-kart. This thing looks like a fever dream brought to life, in the best way possible. The Super 3 SuperSport wears its mechanical parts with pride. Exposed rivets, aluminum paneling, a bullet nose front, and open front suspension give it a warbird meets steampunk. Look, gone is the old exposed V-twin engine. In its place, a sleek enclosed front end housing a Ford-sourced 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine. But the personality, still 100% Morgan. And remember, this is a windshield-less vehicle. That's right, no glass in front of you. Bring your goggles or your full-face helmet because you're part of the environment. Every bug splat, every gust of wind, you're in it. Now on paper, 118 horsepower doesn't sound like much, until you realize the Super 3 SuperSport weighs just over 1,400 pounds. That's lighter than a Mazda Miata. And this thing has one less wheel. The power-to-weight ratio makes it lively, eager, and endlessly fun. 0 to 60 mph comes in around 7 seconds, but the thrill comes not from numbers, it's from the sensation. There's no power steering, no traction control, no ABS, no filters between your inputs and the car's responses. It's all mechanical. All you. Whether you're carving corners or just cruising back roads, the steering is sharp. The engine revs with a snarl, and the manual 5-speed gearbox keeps you engaged at all times. It's more motorcycle than car, but with a roof for your luggage, not your head. The interior is as focused as the drive. You get aluminum trim, waterproof materials, and just enough tech to keep things functional, including a small digital display and aircraft-style toggle switches. There's no infotainment, no plush seats, no distractions. What you do get: side-mounted waterproof luggage pods, cleverly integrated USB ports, and cup holders for your helmet-sized drink bottle. And those funky circular screens on the dash, they're inspired by vintage flight instruments, because Morgan knows exactly who this car is for. Driving the SuperSport isn't just about speed, it's about sensation. The wind blasts your face. The exhaust note fills your ears. The tires chatter over imperfections in the road. This is motoring at its most raw, its most visceral. It's the opposite of modern driving isolation. On a twisty road, the car dances with you. On a straight, it reminds you to hang on. Every moment behind the wheel feels like an event, because it is. The Morgan SuperSport doesn't just take you places, it transports you to another time, another mindset, another world. The Morgan Super 3 SuperSport is a love letter to analog driving. It's not built for everyone, and that's exactly the point. No screens, no software updates, no driver aids, just you, a tiny three-cylinder engine, and the open road. If you're tired of soulless, tech-heavy vehicles and want something that feels alive, this is it. Would you dare to drive it? Let us know in the comments, and if you love this throwback thrill ride, smash that like button, subscribe, and join us for more unfiltered automotive adventures.